what Facebook has done is they've actually given all of that list and the power of all the list brokers in the Facebook platform. So it's been super helpful for us because now we can actually do it cheaper online and get it right out to the audience. So
let me give kind of an overview of what that may look like. Let's say we use the typical offer of find out how much your home is worth, right? You can run an ad on Facebook to say find out how much your home is worth, click here, but we don't want to run it to the people you know or your friends or fans or any of that stuff. We want to take a geographic area, let's say a zip code. We want the high-end zip code. We only want that to show up on the Facebook feed of homeowners. They have to be a homeowner. It has to be a home 400,000 and higher. They have to have at least 2 kids that live in the house. They have to have at least 5 cars, that whatever that guideline is that you're looking for, we only show that ad to them. It's not open to the general public. Nobody can find it online. We're just simply putting an ad directly in front of their page. So much like if I were to send you an email, that's not really publicly online. You're the only one that can see it. Nobody can Google search and see that email. These ads work the same way. It only goes into the Facebook feed of the individual prospect we're looking for. We want homeowners and this zip code, whatever that criteria is that we're looking for. Okay?
So yeah, it's been awesome because we're able to track what these ads are doing, how much we're paying, and who exactly is getting them. The big question we receive regularly is how do they know what the home value range is, or how do we know these behaviors of these people? Well, the interesting thing with Facebook is they're always watching. So for instance, every click that you make when you are looking for vacuums or you're shopping for shoes, they're tracking your behaviors. They're getting an idea of how much money you're spending. They know what industry you're in because of the behaviors and the things that you're doing online. So they're taking that data, and then that's how we're able to find the proper person. So as Greg mentioned, we can target a specific zip code and say a 20-mile radius. If you want to do home values 500 to 700,000, we could say let's only go to homeowners who own a home within 5 and 700,000, and then that ad goes directly to them. And it doesn't clog up your business page. You're not, loading your page with ads. It specifically is only being placed in front of that direct audience.
Yeah. Hey, thanks so much for watching this video. Hopefully you found it incredibly helpful. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Click the subscribe link so you can get notice of new videos as we get them loaded. Additionally, you'll want to check out the description of this video for some additional links that'll help you with growing your business.